My first step is to complete the spreadsheet with my data. So I'm going to go to my spreadsheet and I'm going to make sure that I have all of my fields that I need completed. Because it's on Google Docs, I'm just going to download it as an Excel spreadsheet. When I double click it, it opens as my SMART Goals document. Just going to expand this so you can see the window. And the next step is to save it to my computer. And I'm going to save that to my desktop. Next, I need to create or open my Mail Merge Word document. This SMART Goals End document has not yet been mapped. There are no fields in here that will link with another document. The way that I map my fields is to go up to Tools, Mail Merge Manager, and it opens this Mail Merge Manager window. What I'm going to do is create a new form letter. The next step is to tell the Mail Merge Manager where to find my personalized information. So I need to get a list. I don't want to create a new data source. I already have a data source open on my computer. So I'm going to click Open Data Source, and I want to tell it what file I want it to use. So I'm going to choose my SG demo file and click Open. This always comes up that it's going to pose a security risk. Just click OK. And in this field, if you have multiple tabs, it's going to ask you which tab do you want to pull your information. I'm going to choose my demo tab because that's the information that I need. And you want the cell range to be the entire worksheet, and just click OK. And it pulls in all of your column headers within this placeholders file. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to fill in my fields where I need all of my information. So first I have student name, and I want the student name right here in my email. So it can say, I've enjoyed working with your student, D-Demo, over the past several weeks. That will actually populate. I want to see who I'm addressing it to. So dear, I want it to go to the learning coach. So I'm going to put my learning coach name field right before my comma. And now I have all of my fields mapped. The next step is to preview results. You can skip filter recipients. To preview the results, you need to click the ABC merge, and it's going to put the information in here. So all of these fields were blank in the spreadsheet. And you can scroll through for all of your students by looking at the first record, going through each individual record. We only have one student listed on our demo sheet so far. My last step is to complete the merge. There are 3 different ways to do this. Merge to a printer, which means that it will send each individual document individualized to your printer for printing. You can merge to a new document where it creates a new Word document file to save to your computer for each document that you want to create. Or you can generate an email message, and this will go straight to the Entourage email client. The last step for an email message is to complete who you want to send this to. So you should have the email address that you would like to send, and I'm going to use the LC email, in your spreadsheet. Type in a subject, and this is going to be the Intervention Program SMART Goal Report. And I'm going to send this as an HTML message. You can also send it as an attachment, but there is no way to password protect attachments in this case. So I'm going to send this as an HTML message, and I'm going to merge to Outbox. When I click Merge to Outbox, it'll send all of my documents as individual emails to the Outbox, and we'll email them to the LCs. So that's how you complete a mail merge from a new file, where you have to complete the mapping yourself.